सबैलाई okay, today also we are going to about the topics of indices model 4. It is long questions. We have already taught up to model 3 yesterday, then today we are going to start model number 4. Okay. Here question number 1, there are 8 questions similar to each other. Now we are going to start question number 1, x square minus 1 by y square a, x minus 1 by a, b minus a, y square minus 1 by x square b to the power b, and y plus 1 by x to the power a minus b. Here x square minus 1 by square, 1 by y square, we can use here a square minus b square, that is a plus b, a minus b. Okay? A plus b, a minus b. X is x minus 1 by y, x plus 1 by y. Okay? A minus b, a plus b. Its power how much? A. Okay? This means a b whole square. Whole square of a b means a square b square. Okay? X minus 1 by y and x plus y, both power is a, and x minus 1 by y to the power b minus a. Clear? And in denominator also y square minus 1 by y, 1 by x square, that is y minus 1 by x, y plus 1 by x to the power b, whole power b. Okay? And next y plus 1 by x to the power a minus b. Clear? Then whole square of a b means a square by b square, then x minus 1 by y, x plus y, both power is a. Then we can write x minus 1 by y to the power a, x plus 1 by y to the power a. Clear? Any doubt? No. Then x minus 1 by y to the power b minus a, whole upon y minus 1 by x to the power b, y plus 1 by x to the power b. Similarly, y plus 1 by x to the power a minus b. Okay? Now, next step, what to do in next step? Look here, x minus 1 by y, x minus 1 by y, base are same, then power will be added. X minus 1 by y, here a plus b minus a. Okay? X minus y, x minus y, the base are same, then power will be added. Here a plus b minus a. And next x plus 1 by y, x plus 1 by y to the power a, whole upon is equal to, and here also y minus 1 by x, then y plus 1 by x, y plus 1 by x, the power is same, then base are same, then power will be added. 1 minus 1 by x to the power b, and next y plus 1 by x to the power a, b plus a minus b. Here is b plus a minus b. Clear? Minus a plus a, minus b plus b. Then x minus 1 by y, x minus 1 by y to the power b, x plus 1 by y to the power a, whole upon y minus 1 by x to the power b, y plus 1 by x to the power a. Clear? Okay. Look here, a square by b square. Can you write? This means a by b whole square. We can write a square by b square, that means a by b whole square. Here x minus 1 by y and y minus 1 by x, the power is same b, b. Then we can write, and suppose this by 1, taking LCM, xy minus 1 upon y whole upon xy minus 1 upon x to the whole power b. Okay? Any confused? Y is LCM xy minus 1 by 1 and xy minus 1 by x to the whole power b. Similarly, in here also xy plus 1 by y whole upon xy plus 1 by x to the whole power a. Okay? Now, next now reciprocal, this xy by xy minus 1 by y into x by xy minus 1 to the whole power what b into similarly xy plus 1 by y into x by xy plus 1 to the whole power a. Xy minus 1, xy minus 1, xy plus 1, xy plus 1 cancel to each other. Then here x by y to the power b into x by y to the power a. Okay? Base are same here. When base are same, then power will be added. X by y b plus a. Okay? Then x by y, that is a plus b. This is the answer of this questions. Okay? Okay. Now, question number 5. Question number 5. Question number 5. 1 plus m by n to the power m by m minus n into 1 minus n by m to the power n by m minus n. 1 plus m by n, m by m minus n into 1 minus n by m, n upon m minus n, whole upon n by m plus 1 to the power m by m minus n into m by n minus 1 to the power n by m minus n. Okay? Okay. M 1 plus m by n and n by m plus 1, the power is same. Okay? Then we can write 1 plus m by n whole upon n by m plus 1 to the whole power m by m minus n. Any doubt? Into 1 minus n by m whole upon m by n minus 1 to the power n by m minus n. Power is same. Okay? Now, taking LCM here, n plus m upon n whole upon n plus m by m to the whole power m by m minus n. Okay? Similarly, in next fraction also m minus n by m, taking LCM here, and m minus n by n to the whole power n by m minus n. Okay? Now, reciprocal n plus m by n into m by n plus m to the whole power m by m minus n into similarly m minus n by m into n by m minus n to the whole power n by m minus n. Okay? N plus m, n plus m, m minus n, m minus n, m by n to the power m by m minus n into n upon m to the power n by m minus n. Look there, m by n and n by m, m by n and n by m. What to do? Then m by n, m by m minus n. Okay, look here, a by b to the power 2, a b by a, we write b by a, then power will be negative. Okay? How? A square by b square, this means a square by b square. If b is up, then minus 2, then a minus 2. Okay? Similarly, here m by n, if base is changed m by n, then power will be like this, n by m minus n. Okay? Now, base are same, then power will be added, m by n to the power m by m minus n minus n by m minus n. Clear? Next, m by n to the power, taking LCM, m minus n and m minus n. Okay? And this cancel, answer is m by n to the power 1, no need to write power 1, then this is the answer of this questions. Okay? Okay. Then other questions are similar to question number 1 and 5, then you can do yourself, practice it. Now, question model number 5, model number 5. Okay. Model 5, question number 1, p square by p minus y to the power y minus 2p upon p minus y to the power y minus 1 plus 1 upon p minus y to the power y minus 2. Okay. P square by p minus y to the power y minus 2p upon p minus y to the power y into p minus y to the power minus 1. Any confuse here? Okay. This means a square into a to the power minus suppose 1. This means a to the power 2 minus 1. Okay? Now, reverse it like that, plus 1 upon p minus y to the power y, and next p minus y to the power what? Minus 2. Clear? Now, p square by p minus y to the power y minus 2p into what? P minus y to the power minus 1, it should be positive, that is p minus y. Okay? Okay. Now, divide p minus y to the power y plus p minus y to the power 2 whole upon p minus y to the power y. Okay. Now, taking LCM, in denominator all are same, then the LCM is p minus y to the power y. Now, p square minus 2p p minus y plus p minus y whole square. Clear? Now, look here, a square minus 2ab plus b square, here a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square means a square plus a square a minus b whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay. Here in place of a, p, and in place of b, p minus y. Clear? Then a square minus 2ab plus b square. Then we use p minus y, this is whole square. Okay. A minus b whole square divided by p minus y to the power y. And next step, p minus p plus y whole square. Okay. Minus p minus plus y divided by p minus y to the power y. P and p cancel, and y square divided by p minus y to the power y. This is the answer of this questions. Okay. Okay. Question number 2, 3 similar to question number 1. Now, let us start question number 4. Question number 4. Question number 4. Question number 4. A square plus b square divided by a plus b to the power m minus 2a plus b whole upon a plus b to the power m minus 1 plus 1 upon a plus b to the power m minus 2. Let us check the questions one time. A square plus b square, a plus b to the power m, 2a plus b to the power m minus 1 plus a plus b m minus 2. Okay. A square plus b square upon a plus b to the power m minus 2a plus b upon a plus b to the power m into a plus b to the power minus 1. Clear? Plus 1 upon a plus b to the power m into a plus b to the power minus 2. Clear? A square plus b square whole upon a plus b to the power m minus 2a plus b into a plus b. Clear? This minus is positive, and a plus b to the power m plus a plus b whole square whole upon a plus b to the power m. Now, taking LCM, what is the LCM? A plus b to the power m. Okay. A square plus b square minus 2a plus b, a plus b plus a plus b whole square. Clear? Now, a square plus b square minus 2a into a, 2a square minus plus minus 2ab, 2a into a, 2a square minus plus minus 2ab minus ab plus b and plus and minus b square plus a square plus 2ab plus b square. A plus b whole square means whole upon a plus b to the power m, okay, is equal to now plus b square minus b square minus 2a square is here, plus a square plus 2a square which is cancelled to minus 2ab, then minus 2ab plus 2ab, minus 2ab plus 2ab, then remaining plus b square minus ab, okay, plus b square minus ab whole upon a plus b to the power m. This is the answer of this questions, okay. Okay. Now question number 5, 6, 7 similar to each other. Now let us start question number 7. Question number 7. Question number 7. A cube x minus a to the power minus x plus 3a upon x minus a x minus 2 plus 3a square x minus a to the power 3a square x minus to the power 1 minus x plus x minus a to the power 3 minus x, okay. A cube x minus a to the power minus x, 3a by x minus 2, 3a square x minus a 1 minus x plus x minus a 3 minus x, okay, is equal to a cube upon x minus a to the power x. Any confusion here? The power is negative, then it should be positive, then divided by a cube, okay, plus 3a upon x minus a to the power x into x minus a to the power minus 2 plus 3a square x minus a to the power 1 and x minus a to the power minus x, clear, plus x minus a to the power 3 and x minus a to the power minus x, clear. And next step, a cube upon x minus a to the power x plus, here is the power is negative, it should be positive, 3a x minus a to the power 2 whole upon x minus a to the power x. Any doubt? No. Plus 3a square x minus a power is negative, then it should be positive x minus a to the power x, okay, plus x minus a to the power 3, and here also power is negative, then it should be positive, then x minus a to the power x, okay. Any confusion there? No, no. Now taking LCM, what is the LCM? X minus a to the power x is LCM, okay. A cube plus 3a x minus a whole square, 3a square x minus a plus x minus a whole cube, okay. Look here, a plus b whole cube, this means a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. This is the formula of whole cube of a plus b. Now look here, in place of a, here is a, and in place of b, here is x minus a. Look here, a cube plus 3a square b, a cube plus 3a square b, and 3ab square plus 3ab square plus b cube. Then we can use that formula a cube plus b cube, that means a cube plus a plus b whole cube, a plus b is x minus a. Okay? This is whole cube. Okay? The short form of this expression is this, a plus b whole cube divided by x minus a to the power x. Okay? A plus x minus a whole cube divided by x minus a to the power x, minus a and plus a cancel, then x cube divided by x minus a to the power x. This is the answer of this question. Okay? Question number 5, 6, 7 similar to each other, then you can do yourself. Okay. Now, let us start model 6. Model 6, number 1, 1 upon 1 plus x to the power a minus b plus x to the power c minus b plus 1 upon 1 plus x to the power b minus c plus x to the power a minus c plus b to the power b minus c a minus c, 1 upon 1 plus x to the power c minus a plus x to the power b minus a. Okay. 1 upon 1 plus x to the power a into x to the power minus b plus x to the power c into x to the power minus b. One upon 1 plus x to the power b into x to the power minus c plus x to the power a into x to the power minus c plus 1 upon 1 plus x to the power c into x to the power minus a plus x to the power b into x to the power minus a. 1 upon 1 plus x to the power a upon x to the power b plus x to the power c upon x to the power b plus 1 upon 1 plus x to the power b upon x to the power c and x to the power a upon x to the power c. Okay? Similar to here, then here 1 upon x to the power b plus x to the power a plus x to the power c whole upon x to the power b. Okay? Same as second and third fractions, and now it should be what? Reciprocal. By reciprocal, we get this x to the power a plus x to the power b plus x to the power c, and second and third also same. Okay? Then you will take LCM. Okay? Now do from that